Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to delete apps on your school iPad. To remove an app, simply touch and hold its icon on the home screen until all icons begin to jiggle. Then, tap the minus sign in the upper left corner of the app you wish to delete. Confirm your choice by tapping Delete App and then Delete. This method works for most user-installed applications, making your iPad tidier in just a few seconds. Many school iPads come with specific restrictions set by the administration. These settings can sometimes prevent you from deleting certain applications directly. Apps installed by your school, often called managed apps, are typically essential for learning and cannot be removed by students. You might notice these apps lack the small minus sign when you try the standard deletion method, indicating they are under school control. If you encounter an app you cannot delete, especially a managed one, your best course of action is to contact your school's IT support team. They have the necessary administrative access to remove school-installed applications or modify device settings. Be sure to clearly explain which app you want removed and why, providing them with all the relevant information to help you efficiently. Even if you cannot delete every app, there are still ways to manage your iPad effectively. Consider organizing less used apps into folders to keep your home screen clean and focused. You can also disable notifications for distracting apps in your iPad settings, reducing interruptions. Regularly reviewing your apps helps you decide which ones are truly essential for your schoolwork and which can be hidden away.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.